Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza. Unfortunately, Forza is not available on the PlayStation 5. This popular racing game series is exclusively developed and published by Microsoft for their Xbox consoles and Windows personal computers. Therefore, you cannot directly play any Forza title on a PlayStation 5 console. This is a common point of confusion for many gamers. The reason Forza is not on PlayStation 5 is due to platform exclusivity. Microsoft, the creator of the Xbox console, owns the studios that develop the Forza Motorsport and Forza Horizon series. This strategy helps Microsoft differentiate its gaming ecosystem and encourages players to choose Xbox or PC for these specific titles. It is a common practice in the video game industry. If you wish to play Forza, you will need an Xbox console, such as an Xbox One or an Xbox Series X or S. Alternatively, many Forza titles are also available to play on Windows personal computers. These platforms offer the full Forza experience, including both the simulation-focused Motorsport series and the open-world Horizon series. For PlayStation 5 owners seeking excellent racing games, there are many fantastic alternatives. Titles like Gran Turismo 7 offer a deep, realistic simulation. If you prefer arcade action, consider the Need for Speed series. Additionally, the F1 games provide an authentic Formula One experience. These options deliver thrilling racing on your PlayStation 5 console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.